after crashing ashore near the South Carolina-North Carolina border as a Category 1 hurricane Monday night, the deadly storm roared up the coast, unleashing damaging winds, flooding rains and destructive tornadoes while inundating some coastal areas. As of Tuesday evening, the storm's winds had cut power to more than 3 million customers from North Carolina to the northeast. The storm unleashed 90 mph wind gusts in the Carolinas, while causing historic storm surge inundation in Myrtle Beach. A tornado in North Carolina killed 2 people in Bertie County, and the storm spawned numerous twisters in the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. From the Delmarva Peninsula into southern New England, winds gusts topped 60 miles per hour along the coast, and even 70 miles per hour around the New York City area, where there was widespread tree damage. Boston gusted to 60 miles per hour. Widespread rainfall of 3 to 6 inches caused areas of flooding all along the storm's path. The storm is forecast to exit the northeast on Tuesday night, entering Canada. Through Tuesday evening, heavy rainfall is expected in the interior northeast, from eastern New York into Vermont, where more flooding is likely. In eastern New England, strong to damaging winds also remain possible through the evening hours. Tropical storm warnings remain in effect from the coast of central New Jersey to coastal Maine. The 5 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center shows Tropical Storm Isaias speeding through New York State, with only several more hours before it crosses the Canadian border. But it will still produce some turbulent weather in the northeast well into the evening. Centered 20 miles west of Albany, it's racing north-northeastward at 40 miles per hour with maximum sustained winds of 65 miles per hour. Tropical storm warnings remain in effect from the central coast of New Jersey to Maine. Isaias is still expected to unload 2 to 4 inches of rain from eastern New York into Vermont, where areas of flooding are likely into the evening. The Catskills, Adirondack and Green Mountain ranges will be particularly susceptible to flooding. Tropical storm force winds may persist in eastern New England for several more hours, while water rises of 1 to 2 feet above normal are possible along the coast. By Wednesday morning, the storm should be a problem only for Canada, nearly 2 weeks after entering the Atlantic from Africa. Barely 2 hours after destructive wind gusts tore through New York City, the Big Apple was enjoying sunshine and picturesque blue skies shortly after 4 p.m., but winds were staying gusty. Meanwhile, the same channel of ferocious winds that struck New York earlier has plowed east, across southern New England. At 4:22 p.m., Islip, NY, clocked a 69 mph wind gust. In most locales, the worst of the winds will last just 2 to 3 hours, though the impacts in the form of power outages could last days. A 60 mph wind gust was reported in Oxford, Conn, at 2:58 p.m., while Bridgeport, Connecticut,